When you first get your tent, grab a friend or go solo if you're feeling strong, and open the frame about arm's length. Don't pull it all the way open just yet. Trust us, it'll make the next steps way easier. Take the folded canopy and roughly line up the corners with the frame. It doesn't have to be perfect yet, we'll dial it in soon. Find the center pole of the frame and slide it into the top pocket. Give it a good pull to add tension. This helps keep the canopy locked in place, protected and looking sharp. Now, head to the corners and start opening them up slightly. The roof has Velcro sewn in. Line that up with the Velcro on the legs, and make sure the top seam matches up with each corner for that clean, pro-level setup. Repeat that process on all 4 legs to keep the canopy locked in and looking crisp. It's time to stretch the frame all the way out. Be careful. Watch those fingers. Lock in the corners by compressing the frame from above or stepping on the bracket below. Then, straighten out the canopy at each corner so everything looks tight and professional. Make sure the canopy side pads are sitting correctly. This keeps your tent from wearing out over time. Buckle the straps to the crossbars and use the top post crank to tighten everything up. If you are adding walls, this would be a good time to do so. Extend the legs to your ideal height by selecting the right hole setting. Whether you need max height for visibility or a lower setup for wind protection, you've got options. To do this, compress the red tab on each leg and lift to the desired height. Stake or weight down the tent feet to keep everything solid. If you're using stakes, drive them straight down for max hold. Start by pulling up any stakes or removing weights. Use a claw tool if needed. Grab the leg and pull it up. Easy as that. Compress the red release tabs to lower the tent. Watch your fingers. Unbuckle the crossbar straps and undo the Velcro at each corner. Leave the roof on. Lock in the legs and carefully fold the frame inward. Compress the red release tabs in the corners and walk the legs in. Make sure the canopy material fits in the frame and collapses in neatly. If you don't, it won't fit in the roller bag, and nobody wants to wrestle with that.